Hi, my name is Mariah Miller. I'm a board certified coach and I'm also a human design practitioner and trainer. And I love helping people get into more flow in life. And one of the ways that I do that is by looking at their human design and seeing where they can run into issues or where they can open up more to experience more flow in life. So, this time we have Libby's chart, and Libby asked a question about the 10th gate in her chart. Now, the 10th gate in Libby's chart is very prominent. It is activated by her sun. And what that means in human design is that it will take up about 70% of her personality. So the 10th gate is all about the behavior of the self. It's about self-love. People with this gate very often go through a process of really stepping into their experience of self-love and really growing into that over the years, expanding their understanding and expanding their embodiment of what self-love means and how to express that. So for Libby to have this as her sun or activated by her conscious sun, it really has an important role for her. And what you're doing with this, Libby, you're also not just expressing self-love for yourself, but you're actually here to show to others what this is all about, what it is to love yourself, and how do you show that you love yourself. Now, this may be a surprise to people because you have this 5-1 profile. And the 5-1 profile is a particular profile that has, it is almost like a screen in front of them. In other words, people cannot see in as well as you can see out. So while you may have this internal sense of, I'm working on my self-love and I'm really experiencing it and I really want to deepen my self-love, others may have no idea that this is going on for you. So they might be completely surprised when you suddenly tell them, well, you know what? Actually, I used to have difficulty with really loving myself. And these are the things that I did to do that. But when you do, when you step out of that or step out like that, people will have this whole opportunity to really be given an example of what it is like to fully love yourself. You have no idea how often I, as a coach, hear from people that self-love is an issue, that it's very difficult to fully love yourself. It has to do with confidence, but it also has to do with a true belief that deep inside, we all are okay and we all are valued and we all are having the right to live on this planet. And you are getting this sign of the universe, this call of the universe, where you're being asked to step forward and show what self-love is all about. Now you have this 18th gate in your unconscious sun, your unconscious sun that actually shows you that there is a beautiful gift here. The 18th gate is connected to the 58th gate in your chart, which is the channel of judgment. There is a tendency to be critical towards yourself. It's not meant that way. This beautiful channel is actually here to really put an eye on what are these systems and structures in society that are not functioning. And there's so much that's currently not functioning, but you're having this ability to point those out and then step into that self-love. And what can we do from that place of self-love to create structures that are a benefit to all? So this 18th gate, when you feel it acting up, when you're feeling it getting critical towards yourself, turn that around, because that's just simply a reminder, simply an acknowledgement that right now you need to take a little deeper opening towards your self-love and open that for other people so that they can follow your example, because ultimately you are here to walk your path independent of what other people say, how you're supposed to do certain things. has nothing to do with you. You're here to walk your path as only you can. And through that, you give other people the example in what is possible for them. I hope this was helpful. I hope this gave you some insight in that 10th gate. And I just wish everybody this moment of taking that deep breath, connecting to your heart, connecting to the inner care and the inner love that you can have for your own inner child, and then send that out to the world, because we can all use it. Take care.